Hey guys, this is Ryan here with Cars Remember When. Hey, got a really cool car for you today. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. This has a 327 engine with an automatic transmission. Check this thing out. It's got upgraded front disc brakes. The entire front suspension has recently been completely rebuilt, so it's really nice and solid up there. Red line tires, radial. Cow induction hood. I'm gonna fire this up for you and show it to you so you can see what it's all about. Bucket seats with a console. See, we got our gauge pod down there. Got our fuel, our speedometer. And this engine runs. It is a lot of fun to drive. It's quick. Got your shifter down there. I believe this has been converted to a 3-speed automatic. So you got reverse, neutral, drive, 2, 1. So yes, it has been converted to a 3-speed automatic transmission. That's a nice upgrade. The radio, I do not believe works. You do have a horn. Fan blows nice and strong. Alright, there you have it. There's your 327 small block engine, one of the greatest engines ever made. The casting number on this does call it out as a period correct engine, but it has been rebuilt and there are no numbers you would normally see on that pad right there. We call that the engine had been decked, which is a good sign when it was rebuilt, but it lost its numbers on the front. Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor. Very, very healthy. Dual snorkel air cleaner. Great sounding dual exhaust. Really fun drivetrain in this thing. 327, 3-speed automatic, rebuilt front end. It is tuned up and running great and ready for its next owner. The paint on this car is a driver quality. It shows very nice, but there are some blemishes on the paint. There is some paint missing right there. A little bit of cracking. A little bit of orange peel through this area. Gaps overall are decent on this car. They're not perfect, but they are decent. You can see on this that the trunk lid sticks out a little bit, but I find that on all of these Novas they have gapping problems. I think they were like that new. Right there. through here, a little bit of blistering right in this area. But overall, the paint and body is a strong driver's quality, and it shows really nice, as you can see here. This is one sharp looking Nova, sounding great. If you're interested in this car, please give us a call. You can find us at Cars Remember When or carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.